Amazon changed how strike-through pricing works because of how sellers are abusing its function to take advantage of consumers. In this video, we're going to cover what strike-through pricing is compared to list price or typical price, why strike-through pricing is an incredibly powerful tool, how sellers abuse it to the detriment of consumers, the updated Amazon policy around strike-through pricing, and how to initiate strike-through and set it up in Seller Central. Hi, my name is Zain and I'm from SellerMetrics, an Amazon agency that helps our clients maximize their revenue and profit by optimizing their advertising. Click the link in the description below to book a free strategy call. So what is strike-through pricing? It is when there's a list price that has a line crossing through it and shows a discounted price. The list price is the normal price or the MSRP, aka the manufacturer's suggested retail price for the product. It can also be the price point that the product has consistently shown to be selling at for the past 90 days. But sometimes you'll see typical price, which occurs when there has been a lot of price changes of the product and it gives you an average of the changes. For example, a product's price has fluctuated between $25 to $30. What the typical price will show is $28.50 because that's the kind of the average price of the price fluctuation that it's been going through over the past few weeks. Now, this is an incredibly powerful tool because it anchors perceived value, which is the fundamental psychological basis of all sales. If a product is listed at $50 and has a strike-through price of $40, you would think, oh wow, an expensive product worth $50 is on sale for $40. I can save some money. And this then results in a higher likelihood of conversion. This is pretty straightforward. You want to save some money. All consumers do, all customers do. So they're more likely to buy when the product that they want is on sale. The next one is, I think, the most important over time for a brand. It builds trust if transparently used. By consistently showing a regular price and only discounting it from that regular list price, customers can trust that the business is not inflating the price and then putting a sale on it to sell it for regular price, but presenting it as a sale. And lastly, it highlights that the product is indeed on sale and very eye-catching in the list of search results. If you're on Amazon and you see a strike-through, you're much more likely to have your eyes look at it or consider it than any other product. And this is also apparent in real life as well. When you go to the mall, when you see all the banners that say sale price or, flash sale, etc., you're much more interested in that product if that's what you were going to look for. So how were people abusing it? Well, before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know about our book. If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics, and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy. So how were people abusing it? Well, I've stated already what people would do, or what sellers would do, is they would inflate the list price, then add a strike-through price, which ended up just being its normal selling price, but present it as a sale, which is very non-ethical. To get people to buy at full price, they would manipulate the price, making it look like it normally costs more and you're getting a sale now, when in reality, the manipulation of the price ended up making the consumer buy it at full price, which is horrible. And so Amazon changed their policy to the following. A price will only be considered a list price from which a strike-through can occur is if the product was consistently sold at the intended list price in the last 30 to 90 days. What that means is if you put up a product for $50, you cannot run a strike-through price on it unless it's been shown to sell at the regular price of $50 consistently for a period of time. In addition, the strike-through price also requires a history of a discount sale. So basically, if you want to run a strike-through price of that $50 product for $40, you need to prove that it does get sales at that discounted price of $40. And the entire purpose of this policy change is to ensure that the customers have trust in Amazon and the seller's fair pricing. Even if you have been selling at one consistent price, aka the list price, for the last 30 days more, if you've never run a discount, the strike-through pricing won't appear because there's no reference discount for comparison. And keep in mind that all of these rules apply to each brand individually. Therefore, even if you're selling the exact same product as another brand, you still need your own sales history under your brand to be able to run a strike-through. And the MSRP alone is not sufficient if it's a common product that's on the market. So how can you initiate a strike-through? It's pretty simple. You need to have a regular price that has proven sales. Then you need to show proven sales at a discount price. And then Amazon will have the regular price and the discount price as a reference. So how do you do this? Well, to sell it at a regular price is pretty straightforward. You put your product up and you just basically have to wait a couple of weeks while it gets sales. And then you will have a history of a regular price. For the discount price, the easiest way is to run a coupon. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's go into Seller Central. So here we are. At the top left, you'll click the 3 lines, go to advertising and go to coupons. Then you want to click at the top right, create a new coupon, and a standard coupon is fine. All customers is okay too. And then you have to search your product. It's kind of an off note here. It's really strange that it doesn't show me the list of products. I don't know if everyone's suffering this issue right now, but to get your list of products, just type in the name of the product and it'll show up. So this is one of the products that we run. And I'm going to click this checkbox, and then at the top right, just click continue. Pick a start date for the coupon. So I'll just pick next Monday, and I'll pick next Thursday as the end date. Then you can set the discount value. You can choose to have money off or percentage off. I just like percentage off. So if I wanted the strike through to show 15% off or 20% off, 30% off, that is the percentage off that I need to do here. So 15%, and limit redemption to 1 per customer so that people don't use the coupon multiple times on multiple purchases. Next, you need to set a budget. So let's say I have a, if I have a discount running for $10, if I set a budget of $100, then only 10 coupons can be redeemed so that the budget of $100 is not exceeded. And then you can give a title. We'll call it Flash Sale 1, but you can call it whatever you want. Just make it referenceable so you know the purpose of the coupon. And stack promotion. No, do not allow stacking. This is basically if you are running multiple promotions on the same product. By stacking it, it allows people to take advantage of 2 promotions at once for the same product. Now, perfectly fine. You can choose to do that. There's nothing wrong with that. In fact, it probably has even a higher likelihood conversion because, people are getting more stuff at a better value, but I'm going to choose not to do it. Then we continue, and then you just do a quick review, and then you submit. And if it's submitted and accepted by Amazon, the coupon will run. And then you just have to wait a couple of days to have that sale running. Or, if it sells out pretty quickly, the coupon is redeemed fully, then you will be able to run the strike through, which then leads us to the next question. How do you set up the actual strike through? So let's go back to Seller Central, and at the top left, click the 3 lines again, go to advertising. Don't go to advertising. So that's the difference between a strike through. It's not a sale set up in advertising campaigns. It's actually going to your inventory, going all to manage all inventory. Pick the product that now has a history of regular sales and discounted sales via the coupon. Click the 3 dotted lines of that product and go to edit listing. Once you're in edit listing, you will be taken to the offers page. If it doesn't take you to the offers page, just click this tab and it'll take you there. Here you will see a couple of inputs listed as your price, sale price, and list price. Now, don't be deceived by list price. I know that it sounds like this is where you would want to put a price to have the list price for which the strike through goes through, but it's actually the least relevant one here. The list price is something you can put the MSRP in, but at the end of the day, the price that they actually show is the price that the product sells at most consistently, which is your price. So your price is the basic price of the product that you had originally put it up for, which is in my case $10, but it could have been $50, whatever it is. And then the sale price, which is the strike through price, is got to be the coupon or a better price than that, the value of that. So we can put, let's say, $8 in there. Whatever the coupon discount that you have given, that is the price that you will put. Once you do that, you can set up the sale start date and end date, whatever it is. So I'm going to do Monday, and I'll do till, let's run it for 2 weeks. So for 2 weeks, there we are. It was messing up. The API was doing some strange things, but that's okay. That might happen to you. Don't worry about it. Cool. And then once that's all done, save and finish. It'll take a little bit of time to be approved, but if it is approved, then it's usually really quick, like a couple hours usually, and then it'll be set to run the dates that you have started. And there you have it, guys. That's how you do it. And that's the new strike through policy and why it was changed and how to set it up. By the way, guys, if you like this kind of content and this video is helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're an Amazon seller that wants to grow your Amazon profits, schedule a discovery call in the link below. We are an Amazon agency that helps our clients grow their revenue and their profits and optimize their PPC. I hope that was helpful, guys, and until next video, happy selling.